Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter number 3 of English grammar, that is a subject and predicate. Dear students, in this chapter I have already defined the definition of sentence. As I have told you, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. And I have told you also there are two parts of a sentence. First, subject, and another is predicate. What is subject? Subject is a part of a sentence that denotes the name of a person, place, animal or things. Okay? For example, Sachin is a good player. So here, Sachin is a good player. So in this sentence, what is subject? Subject is Sachin because it denotes the name of a person. It is the name of a person, therefore that is subject of the sentence. Okay students, I have also told you what is predicate. In that I have told you predicate is also a part of sentence which tells something about the subject. What the subject is doing, it is informed by the subject. Okay, for example, we can see here Sachin is a good player. Okay student, this is the sentence. In this sentence, the word Sachin is the name of a person, therefore that is subject. Therefore this is subject. And what we are talking about Sachin, we are talking about Sachin is that is a good player. Therefore that is predicate. Okay students, in the previous classes we have read what is predicate, the meaning of predicate as well as the meaning of subject. Okay students, I have also completed the exercise number first. Exercise first we have completed, that is given at the page number 14. Today we will discuss the next exercise, that is second exercise. It is also given at the page number 14. So everyone just open the page number 14. And in this question, in the question number second, we have to add a subject. You have to add a subject. This is your question. As I have told you, what is subject? Subject is a part of sentence that denotes the name of a person, place, animal or things. And here in the question you have to write the subject. Filling the blanks is there. In the first question it is written. First question is this. There is a blanks in the beginning. And won the match by 2 goals. Won the match by 2 goals. Okay students, this is the question. Here you have to fill the appropriate suitable subject in this sentence. Okay student, you can fill here the subject. We won the match. We won the match by 2 goals. Here in this sentence, we denotes the player. We denote some people. Okay? We denote the person. Therefore, the word we is what? Subject. And what we are talking about the subject? We are talking about the subject that won the match by 2 goals. So in this sentence, what is predicate? Won the match by 2 goals is predicate and the subject is we. Okay students, just write down. And the next question, we will see the question number second, which is given in your book. And in the beginning it is blanks. And it is written here, is teaching. Is teaching. This is your question. Is teaching. Okay students, this is the sentence. Here you have to fill what? You have to fill the subject. The teacher, you can fill the subject, the teacher. The teacher is teaching. In this sentence, what is subject? The teacher. So in this blank you will fill this teacher, the teacher. In the first blank you will fill the word we. And come to the next question, question number 3. What is the question number 3? And is raining very heavily. subject is not given, you have to fill is raining very heavily, is raining very heavily, very heavily. Okay student, this is the sentence. Here you have to fill the subject. Here what would be the subject? It. Here we will fill the word it. It is subject here, and the rest of the words are predicate. Okay, so in this question, in the question number 3, you will fill it, it. Okay, question number next, question number 4 we will see. Question number 4, subject is not given, we have to fill took part in the debate. Took part in the debate. In the debate. Okay, this is your question. Here you have to fill the subject. We can fill here we took or I took. You will fill here I took part in debates. I took part in the debate. Okay students, just fill it in your notebook. Not notebook, dear students, you will write all these things in your book only. You will not write all these things in your notebook. Okay, fill in the book with the help of pencil only. Okay, so in the question number 1, you will fill we. In the question number 2, you will fill the teacher. In the question number 3, you will fill it. In the question number 4, you will fill I. And now question number 5. Now we will see the question number 5. Just see the question number 5. What is question number 5? The question number 5 is, in the beginning it is blank and delivered a speech. Delivered a speech in the assembly. In the assembly. This is your question. Okay students, this is the sentence. Here you have to add the subject. What would be the subject? Subject you can fill here the principal. You can fill here the principal. Okay, the principal. Principal. The principal delivered a speech in the assembly. Okay students, in this sentence what is subject? The principal, because it is the name of a person, it is the post of a person. Okay, it denotes a person, therefore the word principal is subject and rest of the words given in the sentence is predicate. Okay, delivered a speech in the assembly is a predicate. Okay students, just fill it. In the question number 5, you will fill the word the principal. Okay, in the question number next, question number 6 we will see. In the question number 6, it is given, in the beginning it is blank, should not make a noise in the class. Should not make a noise in the class. In the class. Okay students, just see here. Subject is not given in this sentence and rest of the words are predicate. You have to add your subject. What would be the correct subject? We can fill here we should not make noise in the class. So what would be the appropriate suitable subject will be there? The word we is suitable subject in this question, in this sentence. We should not make a noise in the class. In this sentence, the word we, okay, we is the subject and rest of the words are predicate. Question number 7, we will see. Just see the question number 7. Here, in the beginning, subject is not given and the rest of the words are has, left for a walk. Left for a walk. Okay student, this is the sentence. Here subject is not given and you have to fill the subject. What would be the correct subject? She has left. We can fill here he or she both. Okay, as we all know that we use he for masculine gender, we use she for the feminine gender. So we will fill here she as a subject, has for a verb. She has for a verb. Okay, she has left for a verb. Actually, student, I have forgotten to write here left. In the question it is written she has left for a verb. For a verb. Okay, student, this is the question. And the next question, question number 8, we will see. That is the last question of exercise second. Here, is a faithful animal. Is a faithful animal. Okay, student, this is the question. And here you have to fill the appropriate subject in this question. What would be the dog? Okay, dog is a faithful animal. Okay, dog is a faithful animal. The appropriate subject in this sentence would be dog, and rest of the words are predicate. Okay, students, so just fill it in your book. In the question number 5, you will fill the principal. In the question number 6, we will fill the assembly. B. In the question number 7, we will fill the C. In the question number 8, we will fill the dog. Okay, dog is the faithful animal, or we can also fill here the dog. Okay, students, in this way we have completed the exercise number 2. Now we will do the exercise number 3, which is given in your book in the chapter number 3, page number 14. Now we will discuss the exercise number 3. What is the exercise number 3? It is given here. Here you have to add the predicate. Add predicate. This is your question. The question number 2, the question was to add the subject, but here you have to add the predicate. As I have already told you, what is predicate? Predicate is a part of sentence, okay, that tells something about the subject. Just see here, you have to add the predicate. In the question number 1, it is already given. The subject is given a cool breeze. A cool breeze is given. Okay, this is your subject. Here you have to add what? Blanks are given here in this question. You have to fill in the blanks. What you have to fill? Predicate. Okay, subject is given already. We have to add the predicate only. Just see here, a cool breeze was blowing in the forest. A cool breeze was blowing in the forest. Okay, just write down, students. Was blowing in the forest. These group of words are predicate. Okay, because the words declare that what the subject is doing. Okay, so here the was blowing in the forest. These words, was blowing in the forest, are predicates. Okay, just write down in your book. In the question number 2, we will see. Just see the question number 2. C. Here C is given here, and here you have to fill the predicate. Blanks are given here, subject is already given. You have to add the predicate, suitable predicate you have to add. C is reading a book. Okay, C is reading a book. Okay, students, just fill it. In the question number 2, subject is already given. You have to add the predicate, and the suitable predicate will be in this question is reading a book. Okay, just write down. C is the subject, and rest of the words of this sentence is reading a book are predicate. Okay, question number next. Question number 3, we will see. What is the question number 3? The richest man in our colony. The question is given, subject is given, the richest man in our colony, the richest man in our colony. Okay, blanks are given here after that. Okay, just see here, the richest man in our colony is a subject. Okay, and rest of the words you have to fill. Is going to America, is going to America. Okay, just fill it. Subjects is already given and you have to fill the predicate. So what would be the appropriate suitable predicate in this sentence? Is going to America. Okay, just fill here. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4 we will see. I am going to erase. Just see the next question, question number 4. What would be the question number 4? A bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. Okay. A bunch of flower is a subject and you have to fill your predicate in this sentence. Okay, just see here. A bunch of flower was placed outside. Was placed outside the doorway. The doorway. Just see. The bunch of flowers was placed outside the doorway. Okay, this is the appropriate predicate used in this sentence. Okay, so just fill in your book, was placed outside the doorway. Okay, next question we will see. Question number 5. Question number 5. The teacher is given. The teacher, blanks are given here. Okay, just see here. The teacher was teaching in the class. The teacher was teaching in the class. Okay, just see in this sentence, in the question number 5, what would be the suitable predicate? Was teaching in the class. Okay, students, just write down in the question number 5, you will write was teaching in the class. Subject is already given, the teacher. So correct sentence will be the teacher was teaching in the class. Okay, students, just come to the next question. Question number 6. That is given, my father. My father. My father, and blanks are given. And just see here, my father is reading newspaper. My father is reading newspaper. Just see, in the question number 6, subject is already given, my father. Okay, I have written here, is reading newspaper. So this is the suitable appropriate predicate used in this sentence. Okay, subject is already given, my father. So correct sentence will be, my father is reading newspaper. Okay, students, just write down question number 6. Okay, question number next we will do question number 7. There are so many questions in this exercise. Question number 7. Just see the question number 7. The The Ganga is written here as a subject. The Ganga. This is the blanks. Just see, the Ganga is a holy river. What would be the correct or appropriate predicate? The Ganga is a holy river. Okay, this is the sentence. The Ganga is a holy river. In the question number 7, you will fill is a holy river. Question number next. Question number 8. A morning walk. A morning walk. A morning walk is already given. Here blanks is given. A morning walk keeps us fit. Keeps us. We will fill here us, you as, keeps us fit. Okay, just add on. A morning walk is already given as a subject. We have to fill the predicate. What would be the suitable predicate? Keeps us fit. Okay, just see, a morning walk keeps us fit. And the question number next, question number 9. Just see, question number 9 is given the tsunami waves. The tsunami, TSUNAMI. The tsunami waves. The tsunami waves, blanks are given here. Okay, we will fill the blanks, appropriate blank. The tsunami waves are caused by undersea earthquake. Undersea EARTS earthquake. QUAKES. Okay, just see, the subject was given already, the tsunami waves. I have filled here predicate are caused by undersea earthquake. Okay, so what would be the correct sentence? The tsunami waves are caused by the undersea earthquake. In this sentence, what is subject? Subject is already given in your book, the tsunami waves, and rest of the words of this sentence is predicate. Okay, so just fill in your book are caused by undersea earthquake. Okay, are caused by undersea earthquake is the predicate in this sentence. Okay, come to the next question, question number 10. Now we will see the question number 10. Now we will see the question number 10. Question number 10. A herd of cattle, HERD, that is collective noun. Okay, a herd of cattle, CATTLE. A herd of cattle, and blank is given here. You have to fill in the blanks the predicate. A herd of cattle was grazing in the field. Was grazing, GRAZING, grazing in the field. You see, students, in this sentence, a herd of cattle is subject in this sentence, and rest of the words are predicate. What are they? Was grazing in the field. So the correct sentence will be a herd of cattle was grazing in the field. Okay, in this sentence the subject is already given in your book, the herd of cattle. A herd of cattle was grazing in the field. Okay, just fill it in your book. You will fill was grazing in the field. Okay, next question, question number 11. Question number 11. The Himalayas the Himalayas are the highest chain. You have to fill here. Subject is already given in your book, and just see the Himalayas are the highest chain of mountain, highest chain of mountains in the world. Okay, students, just see here in this sentence what is subject. The subject is Himalayas. Okay, the Himalayas is subject already given. We will fill the appropriate suitable predicate in this sentence. Are the highest chain of mountains in the world. Okay, these words are predicate. Are the highest chain of mountains in the world. Okay, students, so the correct sentence will be the Himalayas are the highest chain of mountains in the world. Okay, so in this question you will fill in your book, are the highest chain of mountains in the world. Just fill the next question. We will see the next question. Question number 12. Just see the question number 12. A cyclist. Subject is given here. You have to fill here. Okay, the predicate. A cyclist is a person. Okay, a cyclist is a person who rides bicycle. Okay, bicycle. Just fill here in your book. A cyclist is already given in your book. A cyclist is a person who rides bicycle. So what is the correct appropriate predicate in this sentence? Is a person who rides bicycle. Subject is already given, a cyclist. So the correct sentence will be a cyclist is the person who rides bicycle. Okay, students, in this question you have to fill in your blanks. Is a person who rides bicycle. Okay, just see and write down in your book. And the last question that is given, question number 13. The principal, the subject is given here, the principal. And here you have to fill the suitable appropriate predicate in this sentence. Was delivering a lecture. Okay, just see, just write down. The principal already given, subject is already given in your question, and you have to add the suitable appropriate predicate in this sentence. So the suitable appropriate predicate will be was delivering a lecture. Okay, so the correct sentence will be the principal was delivering a lecture. Okay, students, so in your book you will fill was delivering a lecture. Okay, students, in this way I have completed today the exercise number 2 I have completed, as well as exercise number 3. So today we have read exercise number 2 and 3. In the next class we will discuss the other exercises given in the chapter number 3, subject and predicate. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.